Crypto has the power to revolutionize how we use the internet on a daily basis. But there's something holding us back from massive adoption, and that's the ease of accessibility and usability within normal Web 2 applications. In today's video, we're going to be going over a new technology that will help to onboard or potentially onboard the next billion users. My name's Anthony with the Blockchain Dojo, where we turn you into a blockchain ninja and a Solidity expert. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. The big issue that's holding back massive crypto adoption is the need to have an externally owned account like a MetaMask or a different type of wallet and private keys to secure that wallet to make transactions. Along with that, you need the cost of gas to process said transactions. What this new technology does is it's going to abstract out the accounts, which is what it's called, the account abstraction, to smart wallets or smart contracts that allow users to integrate and use their own traditional Web 2 login information in order to access Web 3 decentralized dApps. In order to understand how this all works, first we need to go over what the ERC 4337 is, which ultimately is the account abstraction, which is a new approach to solving the wallet user experience. Account abstractions will be known as or act as smart contract wallets, where users can engage with the network without possessing their own private keys or having to maintain Ether for transaction costs. Now, this will definitely help onboard the next billion users because it essentially eliminates the necessity of having to get a MetaMask account, then purchase Ether on a centralized exchange, and then transfer that Ether onto your MetaMask account while paying for gas fees and everything else along those lines. This account abstraction is going to help make the ease of access for Web 2 users to onboard them onto the Web 3 community. While ERC 4337 isn't that new, as well as account abstraction is something that has been discussed by Vitalik exponentially, what is new is the Alchemy account kit. What the Alchemy account kit aims to do is it aims to be an all-in-one SDK for developers to integrate smart accounts and smart contracts within their own applications without having to connect to MetaMask. Essentially, it's going to have the ability to create user wallet and accounts by simply using their traditional Web 2 logins. What's cool about this is it's not going to change how your app or your user experience really works. It's essentially designed so that the user experience can have a sign up from a social media or a Google account, something along those lines, and natively integrate that into your app, replacing the third-party wallet interactions. The Alchemy account kit also has the ability for sponsored gas so that your users, when they come onto your website or your application, they don't need to pay their own gas fees as it's going to be sponsored from you. Adding to that, the Alchemy account also has batch transactions, which has the ability to process multiple transactions in one go. Adding to that, the Alchemy account kit also has instant compatibility. It supports the EIP 1193 standard, which is essentially the standard that all dApps use to interface and communicate with wallets and send requests. Now, what's cool about the Alchemy account kit is that it's an SDK, or essentially it is an API for any developer to hook in and use their own to help integrate this into their own decentralized application. Now, this will revolutionize how everyone uses the blockchain, because in the current landscape, someone needs to download a MetaMask, transfer funds into that, and then process each individual transaction. With the account kit, users are able to work more seamlessly without having to wait for transactions to process or transfer in their own Ether or money to interact with your application. While the account kit is still relatively new and the account abstraction is something that's been in process for a little bit now, these are the key components or key building steps to how we're going to onboard the next billion Web3 users. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe for more content.